So this is how you do the liquid liner. So you, of course, you're gonna unscrew it, whatever. Then it's gonna come out and you need to wipe off a little bit of the product. You don't want the brush soaked in eyeliner only because it's gonna it's gonna make a mess. So you just kind of wipe it off a little bit. And I don't know if you can see, but that's how it looks. And personally, I like it when it's a brush and not a felt tip. The brush, I feel like, is a lot easier to use. So you're gonna start right here in the middle and go back and fill it in. Okay, that's your first line. Now you're gonna work your way into this corner, okay? And it's little strokes the whole time, okay? Like that. And now that you're in the corner, you're gonna go from here and connect it to the line that you just did. All right, and that's your first line. I'll go back and I'll show you again. You just go from here and connect it, okay? Very important that your lines are connected. You're gonna go into your eyeliner again, and like I said, you just kind of wipe off a little bit of the excess. And now that you have your lines connected here, and make sure that you fill them in. So if you see any blank spots, make sure you go in and fill it in with some eyeliner. Now, I use the end of my eye and the end of my eyebrow as a guide. That might not be the easiest thing for some people. You can use tape if you need to. You can use paper if you need to. You know, there's some people that will do something like this, that way that they can have like a guide. But basically it's the same thing. You're going from the end of your eye right here and following the end of your eyebrow. So here it is. You go from here and little strokes, you make your first line. Okay? And it's your decision how far up you want it, how big you want your wing, how long you want your wing, how thick do you want your eyeliner. All of that is up to you. I'm just showing you how I do mine. I don't think mine is super crazy. Some people think it's crazy. I don't agree, but it's fine. Okay? This is how we do it. So now you see the end where you stopped up here? That is your guide to bring it down here. So you're going to start from this line right here, and then you're going to go and connect it. Okay? So now you can see we have our connected line. All right. Now we need to fix that line a little bit. So I just got more. Of course, I wiped off the excess. And here we fill it in. Always fill it in. And I kind of want to make this a little bit pointier. So I'm going to go where I want my point to end. Kind of like right there. And bring it down. And now I'm just filling it in. I'm making the lines darker and fill it in. Boom. Want to fix the point at all? You can. Connect it, make sure it's a smooth line. And there you go. That is my eyeliner. Okay, cringy. Anyways, so now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, filling it in is key. You can see it's different, you know, and it's okay. Like, honestly, I've been doing my eyeliner for so long and this stuff still happens to me. It's gonna happen, but it's okay. Like, I don't know. I never cared too much if my eyeliner looks like identical. It's just either it does or it doesn't. But it's all good. It's all good. You don't want to go crazy trying to match them, but if you want to, you can make this a little bit thicker if you made this a little thicker. But don't try to fix it too much, because then you're going to end up with some crazy raccoon eyes. Okay, so that is my eyeliner. Is it perfect? No. Some days it's going to be perfect and some days it's not. It's like life. You have good days, you have bad days. You got perfect days, you got days where you just gotta take it all off and go about your day. You know, it just depends. But this is my eyeliner. Those are the steps that I follow. There's a lot of trial and error. There's a lot of trying to get it right. There's a lot of, you know, having to take, I've had days, especially when I first started, days that I had to take it all off and redo it completely because it just did not look good. So, but the starting here in the middle, going here, connect, go up, another connect, fill in. That is the basic steps of doing your eyeliner. Rewatch the video, do it step by step, pause it, go back, pause, do the step, pause, like whatever you gotta do. Just follow the steps. And I guarantee you, the more you practice, you keep doing it, keep practicing your eyeliner, you are going to be an eyeliner master. And the same people that would make fun of you for the way that you do your eyeliner because it didn't come out perfect at first and sometimes you have raccoon eyes, but now you do it better than all of them, are going to be asking you, can you please teach me how to do my eyeliner? And you can decide if you want to teach them or not. But let's be nice and let's teach them. But let's check them and make sure that they remember that they didn't like your eyeliner at first and now they do. Okay? Alright. That is my eyeliner.